Hello. So today we're going to show you how to take apart the canister of a water-edge toilet from Costco. So these can be a real pain. What you'll notice is that there are two clips. One here, and then if I can get the camera, and then one in the back right over there. So in order to get this canister off to get to the gasket underneath, you've got to kind of play with it a little bit. So to start, make sure it's loose. So try to give it a little turn. Make sure it can turn somewhat freely. And then what you're going to want to do from here is get a long screwdriver and then get right underneath that clip there. Don't know how well you can see it, but you can pry that clip up and then pull the canister up at the same time. You can get one side free. So just like that. Now here comes a trick. So what you're going to want to do is turn the canister as far as it'll go clockwise. And then what you'll notice is that you can then get access to the back clip right through here. I'm going to put the camera to the side a little bit. And then once you do that, you can get your favorite screwdriver back there and then basically repeat the procedure. Sorry, I'm going to have to put the camera down a little bit to get it. I'll put it down just right there. Grab the top of the canister with your free hand, and then it'll come loose right there. So that's the hardest part of this whole thing. When you're ready to put it back together, all you have to do is get it lined up and then pop it back in. But that's a trick. You gotta access it from the front. I tried different ways of accessing it from the back, and neither of those techniques really worked. This is the most robust way that I found. All right, so next we'll get on to cleaning the canister. All right, so I took the canister out, and if I look at the bottom, you can see that there's a bunch of grime that's built up over time, and a lot of that's just calcification. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna put it into a soap bath and just kind of wipe it down, get it nice and clean. And then what I'll do after this, which I have another one over here, this I just have sitting in vinegar. And so that'll help remove some of the other calcification that's already there. All right, so I'll finish this job up and then I'll show you how to reinstall this. And this is just the toilet side. So I put a little bit of vinegar, and now I'm taking a toothbrush and just kind of wiping the edge over here just to remove any excess calcification that might have built up. Get back here. All right. It wasn't too bad, but every little bit will help. All right. We should be done with the vinegar solution, so we'll go back to that now. All right, so now we're done with the vinegar bath. Let's go ahead and put the canister back on. So the main thing to look for are those two clips, one there and then one over there. Just set that in, get it snug. Make sure that you have the full flush on the left side and the half flush on your right side. And just snap that in. Should hear two snaps. And then make sure it's oriented straight on so that when you put the lid back on, these will match up. Let's go ahead and put that lid on. Make sure the lid is secure. full flush on the left, half flush on the right. Turn back on the water. You should hear the tank filling up. Take a little peek. I forgot one thing. Gotta put the tube back in. Don't forget that. Okay, secure. Turn the water back on. All right, let's try it. Got a nice flush. All right, and that's it.